How to fix speaker not working problem on Realme Narzo 90X. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting scroll down and click on sound and vibration. After click on sound and vibration click on do not disturb. After click on do not disturb make sure turn off do not disturb button. After turn off the not disturb button, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, again click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system and update and click on backup and reset and click on reset phone. Click on reset all setting and enter your phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset to go back to home screen, you will see your problem is solved. But it doesn't fix this problem. Again click on settings app. Go back and restart device. Just click and hold side power button and restart device from here. After restart device, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix speaker not working problem on Realme Narzo 90X. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.